God. Have a lot under it.
Yeah, everything gets pushed into the back space.
Yeah.
So I'll just take those off.
You take everything from like the back. Actually, take off the tab and then just let the air flow through that and then out the backspace. God. How old is this keyboard? I don't know. 2008.
It's like a Dell.
It's a Dell from
Dell
like,
keyboard.
yeah. Oh, dear God. What is this though? What is all this? Oh, Jesus. Where did that go? There it is. Tab key.
Let's put this one back on. Okay.
Oh, that's a bit gross.
Oh, it's
Just a little bit disgusting. Oh, it's actually stuck on there.
Oh my God, it's all dust and like fine particles.
God, I feel sick. Oh, what is that?
Ugh.
Oh my God. It's got hair on it too. Oh, Jesus. Cleaning a keyboard after 10 years.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. I knew this would be a fun experience. How can you handle that just with your hand? That's disgusting.
It's just
That not even the pressure cleaner can actually... Well, not pressure cleaner.
The air hose.
Air hose can't even get it out. Oh, dear.
screwdriver to get the bits on the side out.
Oh, my gosh. Is there like a brush we can brush? Like that isn't a paintbrush. Yeah, but yeah, that's a. Oh yeah, there you go. That's kind of a mistake. Oh my God! Oh, that's dust from the actual. Sweat-based adhesive, delicious. Actually, we use something a little less aggressive than that. Where's that brush?
It's over there.
Oh, that's not aggressive enough. Just lightly brush it. Sweat-based adhesive. Just loosen it up a little bit. Are you challenging yourself to keep this keyboard for as long as possible?
I'm not challenging myself.
It's not a challenge.
It's not a challenge. This keyboard is very reliable. It has lasted for a long time.
It sure has.
Euthanize them?
Look at the camera. That's how bad it is.
Oh, oh it's fucking disgusting.
Told you. Told you it'd be worth it. It's a process, but oh, I can smell it.
Of course you can.
What are we going to do about the spacebar?
It's pretty light.
It's a straw.
It's a straw.
Oh, you can see it rising.
Displacement. Yeah, I'll be fine. Might actually be Witcher 3 soundtrack.
Witcher 3. Well, either way.
Or Oblivion, because it sounds silly.
Oh, just look at that. It's doing its thing.
Yep.
Oh my god, that is actually very impressive. You can actually see little particles. It's just accumulated. Look at all that. See if we can get a decent macro shot or something. There's one. There's many. But look at this now. The Alt key, spotless. What was one of the dirty keys? All the number keys was just disgusting, but now look at them.
It's fantastic.
It's beautiful. Vinegar and warm water. So this is the F5 key before.
And
This is the F5 key now. After the vinegar. It's just stunning. But this is the state of the water. Oh my god, it's like a several solar systems. This is the state of the water. Absolutely revolting. Now time to refill it. Rinse it out. Now refill it with some vinegar. Hope he left it out. No, he didn't. Because now I don't know where it is. Now this is raw vinegar. Vinegar with some water. Now joining us. Where's he going? Hello. Yeah. Hello. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to pat you. Oh, he's leaving now, I think.
yeah, it's not interesting again.
There's not enough grass to eat.
Yeah.
If you want to eat the grease off the floor, feel free. Oh, I think he's contemplating that offer. Yep, he's coming back in. Okay, he's going for a ride. Now you thought the last demonstration of how bad the water was bad, but look at this. What is that? Oh dear God. I have 12 years right here in a cup. It's disgusting. Oh, it's yellow. Jesus Christ. I don't think anyone's going to be drinking out of this cup anytime soon. Why? How old are we? Why?
I'm not going to fucking 10 years old.
10 years old. Or as old as that keyboard. Now to top it off, clean the back. because it was sticking to the desk. And it doesn't have rubber feet.
Well, it does actually have rubber feet.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I was just wrong. Oh, it's so nice. Oh.
Yeah,
There we go.
Actually, I'll just quickly.
Yeah.
Watch that last for about a month.
About a month, yeah. 2 hours work. Lasts, what, a month? Yeah.
Look at my fingers.
What's wrong with your fingers?
It's all just because I've been working with the water all day, the vinegar water.
Alright.